Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started the Telegram as well as the Facebook group, and both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in the present video, we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the government university, and it is assistant professor level 10 category. So the eligibility is the PG plus UG Senate in the concerned department. Going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UG Senate electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here you may check down that the Tripura Public Service Commission, okay, it is advertisement number 1 by 2021. Online applications are invited from bona fide citizens of India for selection of candidates for recruitment to 40 vacancies in the subject of Bengali, English, political science, education, history, Sanskrit, human physiology and zoology, botany. Permanent post of assistant professor of Group A gazetted the government. General degree colleges under the education department, government of Tripura in the scale of revised pay, that is 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month in the academic level 10 of the pay matrix of 7th CPC, and all vacancies are permanent, and you may check down the subjects as per the caste category wise. The number of vacancies also you may check down. The total 40 number of vacancies are there. And coming to the educational qualification, master's degree with 55% of marks. So there may be a 5% concession in these marks to the reserved category that you may check down, guys. Apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. So these are the details regarding the qualification. Yeah, here they mention that relaxation of 5% is allowed, and knowledge in Bengali and Kokborok is desirable. Not mentioned as essential, it is desirable. Okay, age limit is 40, maximum 40 as on 22nd March 2021. The date of submission of online application is from 18th Feb to 22nd March. Okay, the applications received after the closing date will not be entertained, and the selection will be governed as per the Annexure A and Annexure B to be notified, scheduled to the post of assistant professor, government general degree colleges. And the online application portal is there. So you have to apply through the online application portal, guys. Okay, and so these are the details. So let's check the remaining details, anything here. And the Group A post, 300 rupees only for general category and 250 rupees for the SC, ST, BPL card holders, physically handicapped candidates. So recruitment fee, so deposited is non-refundable. And no objection certificate is necessary if you are working at somewhere. And if you want to get the more information, then you may go to the official website. There the official website is mentioned. Okay, so it is Annexure A, guys. The selection procedure is given. The overall selection procedure shall incorporate transparent, objective and credible methodology of analysis of the merits and credentials of the applicants based on the weightage given to the performance of the different relevant parameters. And here the marks are given here for the selection process for the graduation, post-graduation, MPhil, PhD and NET with JRF and the NET, SLET or SET. Okay, and for the research publications and teaching experience, okay, the different marks are allotted and the selection will be based upon these marks, guys. So for accurate details, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So please go through that one. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to